Hello dear students, so we're doing again 2024 May paper, non-calculator. This is question number 21. It says a solid cuboid has a volume of 300 centimeter cubed. So what is cuboid means? So all the lengths are different, okay? So you need to remember cube, all sides are same, cuboid, all lengths are different. Has a volume of 300 centimeter cubed. So let's write down here. Volume we have given 300 centimeter cubed, and cuboid has a total surface area of 370. Surface area is 370 centimeter squares. The length of the cuboid is 20 centimeter. The width of the cuboid is greater than the height of the cuboid. Okay, width is greater than the height. Work out the height of the cuboid. So we're looking for height. Okay, so this is the information we have given in the question. So what's the formula for the volume? So volume is equals to length times width times height. So volume we have given already 300. Length we have given 20 centimeter. We don't know width, we don't know height. So just cancel out the zeros on both sides. And 30 divided by 2 is 15. And W times H is WH. So WH is equals to 15. So this is our one equation. So we're going to use the second information, surface area. Surface area is equals to, let's write down here. So what's the surface area? So you can do this way. We have length, width. So surface area means the area of all faces. And cuboid we have 6 faces. Okay. So that would be 2 times of WL plus 2 times of height and length plus 2 times of width and height. Okay, and we have given surface area is 370, and we have given length is 2, and 2 is common over here, and we're left with 20 W. Correct? Then we have L is 20 and H plus, and WH is, we're going to use this equation. WH is equals to 15. We're going to write down here 15. Now we're going to divide this side by 2. So if you divide this side by 2, so you will get 185 is equals to 20H, 20W plus 20H plus 15. If we take away 15 on both sides, so we will get over here 170 is equals to 20W plus 20H. Okay. Now we're going to use one of the equation. We're looking for height, so let's make it W is equals to 15 over H. We're going to use this equation here, 20, and W value is 15 over height plus 20H is equals to 170. Okay, what's the next step is? We're going to multiply everything by H, so we will get over here 170H, and 20 times 30 is 300, and H is cancelled out, and 20H square. So you're going to make a one equation, 20H squares minus 170H plus 300 equals to 0. Okay, now we're going to divide everything by 10. If you divide everything by 10, you will get 2H squares minus 17H plus 30 equals to 0. Now we need to find out the factors. Which factors we're going to use? 2H here, 2H divided by 2. Now we need to find out the factors. Which factors we're going to use? So 30 times 2 is 60, and 30 times 2 is 60, 20 times 3 is 60, 15 times 4 is 60, and 12 times 5 is 50. So we're going to use minus 12 because it's minus 17, minus 12 and minus 5, and 2 factorize with 2. So we will get H minus 6, 2H minus 5, and this 2 and this 2 cancel out equals to 0. And we will end up with H is equals to 6 and H is equals to 2.5. What's the question says actually? So we know that we have given the volume. So we have given that W value is greater than H and length is 20. If we use the volume value, so the volume is 300. Okay, so let's use this one. 15 is equals to W times 2.5. Let's see what value we will get for W. So we'll get W is equals to 6 and H is equals to 2.5. H is equals to 2.5. So it means W is greater than, width is greater than height. So height is equals to 2.5. This is 5-mark question actually. But if you look at the steps, it's not really hard. So we just write down here H is equals to 2.5 centimeter. This is our final answer. We go actually to answer, but because in the question is given width is greater than height, and height must be smaller than width. So width is 6 and height is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, thank you.